Hey, let's see what Excel Agent Mode can do for you. I don't know if you're aware of this new feature in Excel, but this is super powerful. Basically, it runs a complex query from an Excel file and build whatever you're asking inside of Excel itself. So to make it real, I thought maybe I can do that on Microsoft's content. So I looked for their press release on the latest financial results, and here I have a financial statement. So I'm going to do it from, live and with some risk. So as you can see, there's a lot of data here, income statement, comprehensive, and it's not easy for me to look at this and understand all this data. There's a lot of of content here, so it's just crazy. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to download that. So let's download a copy, have it now, have that here, and to make it work with Copilot Agent Mode, I need to upload it in my OneDrive. So I'm just turn that on, select my OneDrive here, and so now I'm able to use Copilot Agent Mode in Excel. If I don't do that, it won't work. So to use Copilot Mode in Excel, you just have to select Agent Mode here. Pretty simple. Just need to know where it is. And then you ask a question. So, can you look at all the data sets in the different worksheets here and make a comprehensible visual dashboard so I can understand where Microsoft performed very well and where they struggled. A simple query like that. I don't even have specific information. You could ask specific information based on something you're looking for. Here, give me a global dashboard. So that might take a while because there's definitely some reasoning behind the scene. There's a lot of Python used. So I might have to pause the video for a few instances here, but it takes probably less than 10 minutes in general, depending on the size of your file and the complexity of your query. So you can see here the reasoning going on, crafting a dynamic dashboard, KPI, and it will create a new worksheet here at one point, and it's gonna insert some data it's gonna use, and maybe it's gonna do some graphics for me. So let's it work. You can see there's several steps going on here. Crafting, charting key metrics, ensuring data integrity, loading properties, organizing and bringing in, mapping the layout, etc., etc. Wow, a lot of reasoning going on here. So I'm gonna pause this video and resume it, and I promise I'm not cheating here. Okay, so it took 5 more minutes, and look at all the steps. So it's really deep reasoning here. And it adjusted. So I guess Microsoft behind the scene has several agents who have several different roles to be very optimum for their task they're doing, and they talk together, and that's why there's a long path of steps to adjust the layout, relocating the growth table, editing the dashboard, revising dashboard layout, optimizing tool usability, reviewing financial growth, presenting the final touch, and finally I have something. So it tells me the final thing, and now I need to figure out where the dashboard was created. So that was Microsoft. Wow, here's my dashboard at the end. So can you see that? That's easier for me to read. You know, I see latest trend, the revenue by buckets, where it was strong, where it was solid, where it was very strong. So we can see where Microsoft growth is, where they're struggling here. Xbox is struggling. That might be explaining why they just changed their VP. So basically, overall, very strong. Top growth metrics, weakest growth metrics, a good summary. And this is a very simple dashboard that summarizes tons of information in these different dashboards. This is not just static text. So here it's a formula is calculating the data. So if I was changing the data, it will still update my dashboard. So this is also very powerful because unless you're very, very talented to using Excel, might take a while to get this nice dashboard. And now you don't have to ask an expert in that. You just query. Here I did a simple query, but obviously you could ask more specific query. But this is the power of Excel mode. So the agent mode in Excel. Just use agent mode here, and don't forget to upload your document in Excel or SharePoint so it can work, and definitely will save you hours and give you more information to make the best decisions or to have accurate information about your business or anything else. Hope this was insightful.